good, y'all? It's your girl Sadie's back with another video. If you can already tell from the title, today I am going to be trying the wet look on my hair. This is actually the third time that I have tried to film this video, and the other two times were some booty. So I'm going to be trying it again today, and I'm praying that it turns out good because I really like the way that my hair looks right now. This is actually a revived wash and go, so if you want to see how I accomplish this look, then let me know and I can definitely get that up for y'all. But I really need this to come out good or else I just wasted all my time and my products. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. But before we get started, if you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit that button down below to see more of my face. I would really appreciate it. But other than that, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Man, before we get into this, can we just talk about my hair for like 5 seconds? I am so in love with the way that my hair looks today, y'all. Look, we got a little swoopy swoop on the side. Oh my god, I love this. I don't even care if y'all don't want the tutorial. I'm bringing it to you on how I got this look because I love it. But all right, so we're gonna take our spray bottle of water, and if you're wondering what I'm looking off to, I'm looking at my mirror. So I'm just gonna spritz my head of hair. Okay, so now I'm going to section my hair off, and I'm going to spray my sections again just so they can actually be like wet, and then we will start applying some product. So I'm gonna just go ahead and saturate this section. So I'm gonna take my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is such an awesome product. Like, my hair already has product in it though. Like, this is not freshly washed hair, so it is kind of dirty. So I'm assuming that this might work out better just because it'll be able to be weighed down more. But this is the coconut hibiscus one, I believe. Yeah, coconut hibiscus. It's in the pink jar, and I've been using this. That's what I use on my wash and go, and I freaking love it. Like, it is such an awesome product. I've been using it for a couple months now, like 2.5 now, I think. So I'm gonna just spread that all throughout this section, and then I think I'm gonna spray it more just so it can be more wet. And then I'm gonna go in with my olive oil eco styler gel. This is my go-to gel. I really like it. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but it's mine. So I'm gonna just take like a little bit, not too much, but enough to hold it down. And I'm actually gonna put this on my whole section, and then I'm gonna split it into 2 and work on them like that. I don't know how much gel I'm supposed to be using. Oh, that was too much, y'all. I just put too much. Oh my god. And I'm gonna make sure I'm really getting the roots. That might have been too much gel. Do y'all see the way that thing is hanging? This might not curl up. Okay. 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 Today might be the day that this works. Maybe I needed to take too much. So I'm just gonna... I'm gonna just shingle my ends on this side. Okay, so this is what we are currently working with. Get into my curls, ew. So I'm basically just gonna repeat that process on the rest of my hair, and then I might use this brush. This is like a $4 brush that I bought from Walmart, and it's the bomb because I have a section of 3B curls and they never curl up. Like, it takes a lot of work to get them to curl up, and then when they dry they do curl, but this got them right while they was wet, and that's never happened before. So I'm gonna try to use this today to see if that helps with the wet look. So I'm gonna speed it up and I'm gonna just repeat that whole process. Okay, so what I'm seeing is that my hair isn't shrinking up, which is a first. And I think that's in part due to the fact that it was already dirty. Maybe that's a secret, so do no dirty hair. But I mean, you ain't gotta quote me on it or nothing. So these pieces right here kind of struggle to curl a little bit, so I'm gonna take my brush to kind of give it a little curling boost, and that helps a lot with it curling up. I'm honestly really impressed with the fact that my hair is not like shrinking up. I'm not getting a bunch of shrinkage or anything yet. That usually doesn't happen, but I'm gonna tell y'all my tips for how I think this is going so successful for me on the third try. Other than like third time's a charm, I'm convinced that the differences I made today are why it's working out so well. Okay, so now I'm like actually working on the part of my hair that's a 3B curl type. The majority of my head is 3C, but I do have this one section that like grows right here, and it's just completely different, and it's not heat damage at all. It's literally grown out of my scalp like that since I was a little girl, but it's just annoying because it's so much looser, so it looks kind of crazy sometimes until it starts to curl up. But that's why I'm using the brush, because it helps curl it up faster while it's wet, rather than me having to wait till it's dry for it to curl up. Like, you see how straight? That's not what we want. So brush it, and I don't know why this brush magically does that, but it just helps a lot. And then I just kind of separate it, and then I scrunch it, and then that helps it curl up while it's wet still. Because 3B hair just be on one, and then it just magically starts to get curly. So we love that. So my camera cut off mid-sentence, but basically I'm just gonna do this last little section, and then I'm gonna figure out how exactly I want to slick my hair down. So basically I just slick back the top, but I have to fix these pieces because my hair is like freaking out and it thinks that I messed everything up. So I'm just gonna detangle the pieces that got messed up in the process of me slicking my hair back, and then I'm gonna just re-smooth it. Okay, so I got my little bristle brush, my wave brush, and I'm just gonna brush the top back and down, and I'm gonna give y'all like a real slick back. So I'm gonna hold it and I'm gonna fix these pieces first. Okay, so apparently my camera stopped recording there too. Basically what I did, I just continued what I was showing y'all, and I just like held it while I was slicking it back, and then I fixed the end curls so those could stay good and like not be frizzy and tangled up for me slicking it back. And then I sprayed the top of my head more, added some more gel, slicked it down still, and then I tied my hair up with my scarf. And then I did my edges because I felt like it would tie it together. And I was pretty much just talking to y'all about like how I do my baby hairs, but I'm gonna let my hair stay like this for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and do the grand reveal, and hopefully my camera will not cut me off again. All right, so it's been about 20 minutes. It's time, oh shoot, I almost just messed up my edges, but it's time to see how it turned out. I'm nervous. Okay, ready? Okay. Un, deux. Hold on. Let's do something. Ooh, stop playing with me. Listen, Linda, y'all. This is a look. It's a little lopsided right now, but I mean we could fix that. It's still really wet, so the fact that it's sitting like this and it hasn't completely shrunken up yet, I'm amazed. Like, I am thoroughly impressed with myself right now and how this looks. And let's get into my edges for a second. Like, let's talk about them. They look good. They really kind of tie this look together. Let's give y'all a little side profile action, give y'all a little turnaround. Yes, ma'am. This is cute. Like, what do y'all think? I am, clearly y'all can see I'm excited because the other two times were trash. So the fact that this is looking the way it's looking, and I'm like not having to lie to myself that I like it, like despite this being a little shorter right now, because these curls do get tighter. And these are my 3B curls over here, but I freaking love it. I think this is cute. I think that with a little extra styling, this could be a look. Like I could go out in public like this for a little date night or something, you know, get cute or whatever. I'm impressed. So let me tell you why I think this worked, okay? It's a couple main reasons. One, I started on dirty hair. Not like, oh my god, my hair is so gross, I need to wash it, but I started on hair that already had a good amount of product in it from me reviving it, me doing my original wash and go, me having it in a bun, like various things. It was mainly in the enhancing smoothie, the curl enhancing smoothie that I use. I use like a regular scoop of it on each section and then like a little bit of gel on top just to lock it in, give it the wet look, and then kind of elongate my curl a little bit, and then also use resources that aren't just your hands. I think the brush, both of my brushes, the wave brush and the $4 brush from Walmart, get you one. I think those are why this turned out so well. I wouldn't recommend using a Denman brush. It might work for you. I think it would have given me too much shrinkage, but my hair actually still looks pretty good and it hasn't shrunk up that much. So that's just my personal experience. But let me know down below if y'all think this is a look or if you think it's a hot mess, or even if you want to try this on yourself. Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you want to see more of my face and my content, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to keep you here. So that pretty much wraps everything up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.